Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0125 indicates there is an issue with the Engine Coolant Temperature ECT Sensor 1, signaling a malfunction or slow response. The ECT sensor's role is crucial as it helps the Engine Control Module ECM regulate engine temperature for optimal operation. Located on the engine, the ECT sensor monitors coolant temperature and sends this information back to the engine management system to adjust fuel mixture and ignition timing. If the sensor is faulty, it can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions, as the ECM may not receive accurate temperature readings. This issue is serious, as it can affect engine longevity, fuel economy, and the overall performance of the vehicle. It's essential to follow the troubleshooting steps thoroughly to diagnose and resolve this issue effectively. The DTC P0125 specifically identifies issues related to ECT Sensor 1, signaling potential malfunctions or slow responses. The ECT sensor operates by measuring the temperature of the engine coolant and plays a pivotal role in engine management. It is located near the engine block, typically positioned in the intake manifold or cylinder head to effectively monitor coolant temperature. Along with ECT Sensor 1, ECT Sensor 2, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, also play vital roles in providing temperature data and ensuring accuracy in engine management operations. When there's a malfunction detected by the PCM, it sets the P0125 code, indicating it is critical to check these sensors for faults, poor connections, or issues with the thermostat, appointing them as primary suspects in this error readout. The potential causes of DTC P0125 can be categorized into several key areas. First, poor connections and loose terminals at ECT Sensor 1, ECT Sensor 2, or the PCM can disrupt the flow of data, leading to erroneous readings. A faulty ECT Sensor 1 itself may fail to provide accurate temperature information to the PCM, leading to incorrect calculations and function. Additionally, issues with the vehicle's thermostat can also affect coolant temperature management. If the thermostat is stuck open or closed, it can prevent the engine from reaching the proper operating temperature. Each of these factors plays a vital role in the overall performance and efficiency of the vehicle, and diagnosing them accurately is critical in addressing the code effectively. When encountering DTC P0125, several symptoms can manifest that indicate potential issues with the ECT sensor and related components. A common symptom is poor engine performance, as the engine control module struggles to adjust fuel mixture and timing due to inaccurate temperature readings. Increased emissions may also occur, as the vehicle may run richer or leaner than the optimal fuel-air mixture due to wrong temperature data. Drivers might also experience rough idling, where the engine fails to maintain stable RPMs while idling, leading to a discordant driving experience. Monitoring these symptoms is key to understanding the underlying issues related to DTC P0125 and proceeding with comprehensive testing as outlined in the diagnostic steps. In troubleshooting step 1, it is essential to start the engine and allow it to idle for at least 5 minutes. During this time, the engine reaches a stable operating temperature, allowing accurate testing of the ECT Sensor 1. Utilize the Honda Diagnostics System HDS to check the current values of ECT Sensor 1 and compare them to defined thresholds. Specifically, you want to see if the reading is less than 10 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 12 degrees Celsius. If the current conditions do not align with the thresholds, then it may indicate a malfunction that needs further investigation. It's imperative to check for poor connections or loose terminals at ECT Sensor 1, ECT Sensor 2, and the PCM. as these connections are critical for proper sensor functioning. Only if the connections are intact should you proceed to replace ECT sensor 1. Moving on to troubleshooting step 2. The first action is to turn the vehicle to off mode and allow the engine to cool down to about 104 degrees Fahrenheit, your 40 degrees Celsius or less. This step is crucial for ensuring a proper reset and providing the ECT sensor a chance to react to the coolant temperature accurately. Next, start the engine again and let it idle until the ECT sensor 1 reading reaches approximately 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius. This indicates that the engine is reaching the expected operating temperature. Once this is achieved, again, use the HDS to check ECT sensor readings, focusing specifically on whether ECT sensor 2 also shows about 158 degrees Fahrenheit. If both sensors match the expected threshold, it indicates the issue has likely been duplicated and further steps are warranted. If not, this points potentially to an intermittent fault. In troubleshooting step 3, the focus shifts to the vehicle's thermostat, which plays a key role in regulating engine temperature. The first task is to check the thermostat to determine if it is functioning correctly. A faulty thermostat can cause the engine to overheat or remain too cool, resulting in performance issues. If the thermostat checks out as functional, then it will be essential to inspect connections or terminals at ECT sensor 1, ECT sensor 2, and the PCM once more. Assessing these connections is critical, as any looseness or corrosion can lead to sensor malfunctions. If both the thermostat and connections appear to be in good condition, it would be prudent to replace ECT sensor 1 to resolve the error and restore proper function to the vehicle. Final repair verification is a crucial step that ensures all previously identified issues relating to DTC P0125 have been adequately resolved. After completing the repair, it's essential to run the vehicle under normal operating conditions to ensure that the ECT sensors are functioning properly. Monitor the engine performance and stability during driving. To ensure no further issues exist, rescan the vehicle with the HDS to check for any residual DTC codes. A clear status, absent of DTC P0125, indicates successful troubleshooting and repair. Additionally, observing normal operational parameters within the engine will further confirm that the repairs address the root causes effectively. Following this step ensures the longevity and reliability of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance is an integral part of vehicle upkeep, particularly in regard to sensors such as the ECT sensors. Regularly checking the ECT sensors can help identify potential issues before they escalate into serious DTCs like P0125. Inspecting the thermostat routinely ensures it operates correctly, preventing subsequent engine temperature-related issues. Additionally, maintaining cleanliness and integrity of electrical connections, including those linked to the ECT sensors and PCM, can significantly enhance reliability and performance. Conducting regular diagnostic scans can also assist in identifying abnormal readings early, providing peace of mind and potentially saving costly repairs. Prevention is truly the best remedy, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly for years to come. In conclusion, understanding the role of the ECT sensor and associated components is vital for effective troubleshooting of DTC P0125. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps thoroughly, technicians can accurately pinpoint potential failures and conduct necessary repairs. Emphasizing preventive maintenance, such as regular checks on ECT sensors, thermostat functionality, and maintaining clean electrical connections can mitigate future occurrences of similar issues. Awareness of symptoms, such as poor engine performance and rough idling, allows for timely interventions, ultimately enhancing the vehicle's overall efficiency and performance. Ultimately, proper diagnostic and maintenance practices lead to a smoother running vehicle and prolonged lifespan of critical engine components. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.